here. Dad's decided I'm Tom Brady.
I'm sorry I'm late.
I wasn't expecting you at all.
You know I'd never miss this. Steven can't just waltz back in here expecting to be QB.
Then I assume you're ready to apologize.
Fallon, what are you doing here? It's pretty late.
I just, I wanted to give you your stuff. Your passport is on top.
Thanks. I really appreciate it.
I love you. And I probably always will. But I'm really moving on this time.
Look, I think it's probably for the best that we just both go our separate ways.
Okay. Bye, Liam.
Bye, Fallon.
Are you okay?
Come on, buddy.
He's freezing.
Let's get him inside. Call a doctor. I got it. How is he?
Well, he's freezing. We need to warm him up.
Towels.
Thank you.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Hey, he's a doctor. Sort of.
Oh, I didn't get an invite, but I'm here whether you like it or not. And we need to talk.
Get the hell out.
Hey,
Don't come in
Fallon.
here.
Hey, Fallon.
Screw you. I'm not going anywhere. I need to talk to you about the CRAZ. Why does the crazy lady have a gun?
She's not crazy. She's been faking her brain injury.
Why fake such a miserable life? Actually.
Work here. It was.
Oh, no. Gigi just unfollowed me on Instagram. And Twitter. And TikTok.
Okay, what did these employee reviews say? Any
Sorry, but
I didn't go. See, I had to tell you the real end of the story. The PI had the peach diamond the whole time.
okay, you know how confused I was before? Well, this isn't helping. Can I please go in the room now?
Sure.
What? No.
Can I at least ask the question first? Fallon Carrington, will you marry me?
No, wait, not until you tell me what the hell is going on here.
Well, I just proposed to you. There's no pitch. I made the story up on the plane. I saw your ring yesterday. And I wanted to be the one to propose to you this time.
Wait, you knew I was about to propose and you didn't let me? That's so rude.
See, I knew if you were pissed off at me, you wouldn't propose, so I pretended like you didn't understand the story. Because I know you like to be the smartest person in the room.
Well, I don't like it. It's more of a curse.